Are deep oceans in danger? Yes, this is due to human beings. Humans created many environmental issues. One among is pollution, like plastics, overfishing, climate change. These are some of the reasons. Pollutants, especially plastics, and even go for overfishing and climate change. Most of the oceans facing trouble. Throughout the world, only 70% of the oceans are protected, and the remaining 93 is facing so many problems. Even though the deep sea environment is not exploited or explored, but it is also having its own threats like pollution and so on. This is mostly created by human beings. So human interference always create problems. It not only he not only polluted the marine and the terrestrial environment and even atmospheric air, and he also polluting the oceans.